Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by turning on the phone features that RTT needs. Open Settings and enable Wi-Fi calling if available, because RTT often requires it. Once done, go to Accessibility, find RTT/TTY, and flip RTT on, then set Send immediately so characters go live. Make sure your carrier supports RTT and you have a working line or Wi-Fi. This lets your iPhone transmit real-time text during calls, so you can type and receive text instantly rather than waiting for Now you'll place an RTT call, open the phone app and call the person. During the call, look for the RTT button on the screen, tap it and choose Start RTT or Send immediately depending on your setting. You'll see a text box where you type. Your characters transmit in real time so the person on the other end can read as you type. If you need to stop, use Clear to remove text or End RTT to return to voice only. This combines voice and live text seamlessly. Finish a session by tapping End RTT or simply hang up. Always glance that the other side received important messages. If RTT doesn't work, don't panic. Toggle RTT and Wi-Fi calling off then on, and restart your iPhone to reset network features. Once done, test with a different number to see if the issue is contact-specific. If problems persist, contact your carrier because RTT requires network support. They can confirm provisioning or known outage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.